Introducing the 2017 Volkswagen Passat HL 1.6 TDI M6F 120 horsepower, 4-door in sleek grey. With 21,000 kilometres on the clock, this diesel beauty is a true standout. From air conditioning to collision avoidance braking, this car is packed with comfort, safety and style features. Plus, the chrome package and tinted windows add a touch of elegance. Rest assured, this Passat has a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us or visit mullingarautos.ie for more information on how you can drive away in this top-notch vehicle today.